what's up? We're currently in Orange County, California, about to check out this super cool boba joint right behind me. What's super cool and innovative about this place is that it's self-serve boba. There's so many different teas, slushies, and my favorite part, toppings. There's so many different toppings that you can add onto your boba. It's super cool. Let's go check it out. A fun fact about this place is that they're actually inspired by traditional Taiwanese high schools. All their decoration is high school themed. So their tables over here are actually high school desks, and their menu is written on a traditional chalkboard. So this is the topping bar. They have so many different toppings as you can see here. We have some different flavored bobas, some jelly, aloe, different puddings, and of course the classic, we have boba over here. If you're like me, then you love boba. So I'm just gonna add another scoop of boba. All right, I think that's enough. And now we're gonna move on to the tea. And now we move on to the teas, which is the best part, right? And the cool thing about this place is that they give you tester cups so you can try every single flavor that they offer and best suits you. So my favorite out of the three is the honey green milk tea. So I'm gonna stick with that one. And since I said it was a little bit too sweet for me, I'm gonna mix it with some unsweetened jasmine green tea, just to kill the sweetness a little bit. To my next drink, I think I'm gonna do a combination of different flavored smoothies. All right, and there is my concoction right there. Now, moving on to the special drink that I previously talked about, I filled up this cup with some jasmine green tea, and now I'm gonna top it off with some cheese. Over here, we have chocolate cheese and salted cheese. There's like two different textures going on. So you have the tea mixed in with the cheese, and the cheese gives it off that salty flavor if you like more of that salty side. So today at Class 302, we got to experience a whole bunch of different flavored teas, milk teas, and smoothies. But not only that, this joint also serves a variety of Taiwanese dishes. And to top it off, they also serve shaved snow. Fun fact about that is that Class 302 was one of the first places to serve shaved snow in the US.